day to all the viewers and learners out there. Another day in learning mathematics. I am Charlyn Derequito from Talon Village National High School, SDO Las Piñas. Learning math is fun. We're now in quarter 2, week 3, addition and subtraction of decimals. Before we start our lesson for today, let's have a quick review with our previous lecture, addition and subtraction of decimals. First, we have to find the sum of 23 plus 64. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, learners. The answer is 87. Let's have number 2, 123 plus 75. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, learners. The answer is 198. Now, let's find the difference this time. 196 minus 89. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got it right. The answer is 7. Number 2, 802 minus 555. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. The answer is 247. Our objectives for today's lesson. First, we have to add decimal numbers. Second, solve problems involving addition of decimals and money. The third and the fourth, subtract decimals. Solve word problems involving subtraction of decimals. Let's study and analyze. Adding decimals is just like adding whole numbers. Example number 1. Find the sum of 1.69 and 0.63. To find the answer, first, we have to arrange the decimals in a column. Then, align the decimal point. Start adding from the last digit. We have in hundreds place, 9 plus 3, it's 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. Next, the tens place, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Plus 1, we got 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. And the last one, we have 1 plus 1, we have 2. So the answer is 2.32. Next, we got example number 2. Find the sum of 14.34, 1.628, and 3.96. To find the answer, again, we are to arrange the decimals in column and align the decimal point. 14.34 plus 1.628 and 3.96. Then add. Just simply bring down the last digit 8. Then add in the hundreds place 4 plus 2 plus 6. It's 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. Next, in the tens place, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 1, we got 19. Bring down 9, carry 1. And 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3, we got 9. Then bring down 1, so we get the answer of 19.928. If you got the discussion, let's review this time. Find the sum of the following numbers. Number 1, 36.125 plus 8.01 plus 23.9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is 68.035. Good job, learners. Number 2, 0.539 plus 0.987 plus 0.83. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. The answer is 2.356. Let's study and analyze the given problem. Example number 1. Aling Rita bought 4 items from the store as follows. Cooking oil, 31.75 pesos. Canned tuna, 22.15 pesos. Tomato sauce, 15.50 pesos. And powdered milk, 73.65 pesos. How much should she pay for these items bought? To solve, we got some steps to follow. First, write the given information. Cooking oil, 31.75. Canned tuna, 22.15. Tomato sauce, 15.50. Powdered milk, 73.75. Next step, determine what is asked. The problem asked for the total price or the sum of the items Aling Rita bought. Then the last step, solve for the answer. So we got 31.75 plus 22.15 plus 15.50, then 73.65. First, we have 5 plus 5 plus 5, it's 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. Then, 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1, it's 20. Bring down 0, carry 2. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2, it's 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. Then the last, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 and plus 1, it's 14. So we got 143.05. Let's have example number 2. Mang Inteng, a truck driver, needs to deliver goods from a factory to warehouses A, B, and C. The distance from the factory to warehouse A is 3.45 kilometers. From warehouse A to warehouse B, 6.29 kilometers. And from warehouse B to warehouse C is 5.17 kilometers. What is the total distance traveled by Mang Inteng in delivering goods to the 3 warehouses? To solve the problem, again, write the given information. We have 3.45 kilometer distance from factory to warehouse A. 6.29 kilometer distance from warehouse A to warehouse B. 5.17 kilometer distance from warehouse B to warehouse C. Next, determine what is asked. Find the total distance traveled by Mang Inteng to deliver the goods to the 3 warehouses. And solve for the answer. So we have 3.45 plus 6.29 plus 5.17 is 14.91 kilometers. Let's review best time. Number 1. Mang Diego was trying to check the expenses for his family's out-of-town trip last week. These were the expenses of his family during the trip. Food, 564.85 pesos. Transportation, 974.75. Lodging, 615.25. And shopping expenses, 841.60. What was their total expenses? So we got to add 564.85, 974.75, 615.25, and 841.60. How did we get the answer? First, we are to add 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. Next, 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1, it's 24. Bring down 4, carry 2. Next, 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2, it's 16. Bring down 6, carry 1. And we have 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. We got 19. Bring down 9, carry 1. And 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1, we got 29. So the answer is 2,996.45. Number 2, we have a gold digger mined 4 nuggets of gold. The nuggets weighed 5.143 grams, 10.928 grams, 7.036 grams, and 9.255 grams. What is the total weight of the gold nuggets? To find the total weight of the gold nuggets, we are to add 5.143 plus 10.928 plus 7.036 plus 9.255. First, we are to add 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5. We got 22. Bring down 2, carry 2. Then, we are to add 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. We got 16. Bring down 6, carry 1. Then, 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2. We got 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. And 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. We got 22. Bring down 2, carry 2. Then the last, we are to add 2 plus 1. We got 3. That's why we have 32.362. This time, let's study and analyze how to subtract decimals. Subtracting decimals is just like subtracting whole numbers. Example number 1, subtract 0.74 from 0.89. We have 0.89 is our minuend because of the word from. And our subtrahend is 0.74. Let's subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So we got 0.15. Example number 2. Solve for the difference of 5.32 and 3.86. To find the difference, we got 5.32 minus 3.86. We start with 2 minus 6 cannot be. We need to borrow 1 from 3, so we got 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Next, because we borrow 1 from 3, it will be equal to 2. 2 minus 8 cannot be again. We need to borrow 1 from 5. So we got 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 5 is equal to 4 already. Just simply subtract 3, so we got 1. Therefore, the answer is 1.46. Let's review this time, learners. Find the difference of 39.45 and 14.23. Very good. The answer is 39.45 minus 14.23. It's 25.22. Let's have number 2. Find the difference of 6.78 and 4.89. So we got 6.78 minus 4.89. First, we'll subtract 8 minus 9. Cannot be. We cannot subtract 8 and 9. Again, we need to borrow 1 from 7. So we have 18 minus 9, it's 9. And 7 is equal to 6. Minus 8 cannot be. We need to borrow 1 again from 6. So we got 16. Minus 8 is 8. And 6 is equal to 5. Then minus 4, we got 1. So we have 1.89. Study and analyze the given problem. Example number 1. A coil of wire is measured to be 14.37 meters long. If 8.95 meters is cut from it, how much will be left? To find the answer, again, first, we write the given information. The length of the coil of wire is 14.37 meters. The portion of the wire taken is 8.95 meters. Next step, we find the difference between 14.37 and 8.95. So we have 7 minus 5, it's 2. 3 minus 9 cannot be. We need to borrow 1 from 4, so we got 13 minus 9, it's 4. And the last, we have 13 minus 8, it's 5. So the answer is 5.42 meters remaining coil. Let's study and analyze the problem number 2. Aling Carol bought vitamins worth 68.45 pesos from a drugstore. She gave 100 pesos to the cashier. How much is her change? Step 1. Write the given information. The price of the vitamins bought 68.45 pesos. Amount Aling Carol paid is 100 pesos. To find the answer, we need to subtract 68.45 from 100. 100 minus 68.45. First, we are to subtract 0 minus 5 cannot be. As what we have discussed in the previous lecture, if we are to subtract from zeros, okay, we need to start the regrouping from 10, then 0 to 0, then until the end. So first, we have to borrow 1 from 0, then this 0 will borrow 1 from 0, and this 0 will borrow 1 from the 10, and we got the last part, we have 10 minus 5, it's 5. Then the next 0 will be equal to 9 minus 4, we get 5. The next 0, we got 9 minus 8, it's 1. Then the last, the 10 will be equal to 9, then minus 6, it's 3. So we got 31.55. Next, Let's review if you understand the discussion. Number 1. Mang Nardo has 8,726.35 in his bank account. How much money will be left in the bank if he withdraws 3,457.25 pesos? Okay, we have 8,726.35 minus 3,457.25. First, we are to subtract 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 7 cannot be. We need to borrow 1 from 2. So we got 16 minus 7, it's 9. Next, we have 11 because we already borrow 1 from 2 and it is already equal to 1. Then, we need to borrow 1 from 7. So we got 11 minus 5, it's 6. Then 7 is equal to 6 minus 4, it's 2. And 8 minus 3, it's 5. So we got 5,269.10. And now let's have number 2. Aling Sally went to the market to buy food for the family. She spent 348.75 pesos for vegetables, bananas, fish, and meat. How much was left for her 500 bill? We have 500 minus 348.75. We need to subtract. 0 minus 5 cannot be. So we have the regrouping. Okay, we borrow 1 from 0. That 0 will borrow 1 from the another 0. And that 0 will borrow 1 from the 0. And 0 will borrow 1 from 5. Then we got the last 0 is equal to 10. Minus 5, it's 5. The next 0 is equal to 9. Minus 7, it's 2. The third 0 is equal to 9. Minus 8, it's 1. And the next 0, it's 9 again. Minus 4, it's 5. And 5 is equal to 4 minus 3, it's 1. So we got the answer of 151.25. Let's see what you have learned from our lectures for today. Number 1. Aling Ason bought a loaf of bread, 22.95 pesos. Cheese, 23.25 pesos. Mayonnaise, 63.15 pesos. And a dozen of eggs, 40.50 pesos. How much did Aling Azon spend? Always remember the word how much. And the answer is 22.95 plus 23.25 plus 63.15 and 40.50 is 149.85. How did we get 149.85? First, we have to add 5 plus 5 plus 5. We get 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. Next, 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 is 18. Bring down 8, carry 1. Then we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 is 14. So we have 149.85 in all. Number 2. Billy is constructing chicken wire fence around his garden. The first side is 10.23 meters long. The second side is 5.87 meters long. The third side is 12.48 meters thick, long. And the fourth side is 6.91 meters long. How many meters of chicken wire will he need to fence the whole garden? Always remember the how many meters chicken wire will he need to fence the whole garden. To find the answer of that one, we got to add all the measurement. 10.23 plus 5.87 plus 12.48 and 6.91. So we got 35.49. How did we get 35.49? First, we are to add 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 1. We get 19. Bring down 9, carry 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9. We got 24. Bring down 4, carry 2. And we have 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6. We got 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1, we got 3. Good job, learners. Now let's move on to number 3. Aling Mila went shopping for a dress. She bought a dress worth 429.15 pesos. If she give a 1,000 peso bill, how much was her change? Always remember the question, how much was her change? The answer is, okay, we have 1,000 minus 429.15. And this time, again, we use regrouping. The regrouping start from 1, it will be borrowed by the next 0 until the last 0, and the last 0 will be equal to 10. Minus 5, it's 5. The next 0 is equal to 9. Minus 1 is 8. The next 0 is again equal to 9. Minus 9, it's 0. Then, again, the next 0 is 9 minus 2. It's 7. And the last is also 9 minus 4. It's 5. That's why we got 570.85. It's the change of Aling Mila. Good job, learners. Let's move on to number 4. Rina and Lita's combined weight is 80.7 kilograms. If Rina weighs 46.91 kilograms, what is Lita's weight? That's wonderful, learners. The answer is 80.7 minus the weight of Rina, which is 46.9. We got 33.8. How did we get 33.8 again? 7 minus 9 cannot be. We need to borrow 1 from 0. And 0 will borrow 1 from 8. So we got 17 minus 9, it's 8. And 0 will be equal to 9 minus 6, it's 3. And 8 is already equal to 7 minus 4, it's 3. That's why we got 33.8. Congratulations, learner! Always remember to add inspiration in someone's life and subtract hate. See you again next week, same time, same channel. I am your tutor, Charlyn. Paalam!